Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a WooCommerce cart icon to your menu. This is a simple yet effective way to make it easier for your customers to access their shopping cart directly from your site's navigation, which can help improve the overall shopping experience and potentially boost conversions. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, take a look at your left navigation menu. You'll see your WooCommerce menu listed there. This is where we'll be working to add that cart icon to your menu. From the left navigation menu, click on Plugins. This will present you with a list of all the plugins currently installed under your WooCommerce account. Here, you'll see various options for managing your plugins. Look for the Add Plugin option in the left navigation menu and click on it. You'll now be directed to the plugin section where you can browse and install additional WooCommerce features. This is essentially the plugin marketplace for WordPress. On this page, locate the search bar at the top and search for cart icon. WordPress will show you relevant results based on your search. From the results that appear, click on Menu Cart for WooCommerce. Before installing anything, it's always a good idea to learn more about what you're adding to your site. Click on More Details to access the plugin overview page. Take a moment to read through the product's functions and features to make sure it fits your needs. Once you've decided to proceed, click on Install Now. After the installation has finished, you'll be taken to your installed plugins page. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection, so just be patient while WordPress processes everything. On this page, look for Menu Cart for WooCommerce from the list of plugins and click on Activate. Activating the plugin enables its functionality on your site. Once activated, hover your cursor over WooCommerce from the left navigation menu. You'll notice that Menu Cart has now been added as a submenu option. Click on it to enter the setup page where you can configure how the cart icon appears on your site. From the plugin settings page, look for the section labeled Select, which e-commerce plugin you would like Menu Cart to work with. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select your preferred option. Below that, you'll see 3 display options: Always Display Cart, Show on Cart, and Display Cart. Simply toggle the checkboxes next to these options to enable whichever settings work best for your store's layout and customer experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added a WooCommerce cart icon to your menu, making it much more convenient for your customers to access their shopping cart. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.